What's up, everybody? It's Runkle coming to you from sunny Las Vegas, Nevada, and this is Into the Wind. In this episode, we're going to explore Fremont Street, we're going to go ride through Red Rock, and we're going to ride up to the Grand Canyon on the way to Page, Arizona. In addition, we're going to drop in on two of my very good friends. Stay tuned and enjoy the ride. After Mexico and Southern California, we headed to Las Vegas, Nevada. While it's not my favorite place on the planet, it is exotic, wild, and can be one hell of a good time. You see things there that can't be unseen, for better or for worse. Now, don't get me wrong, I've been to Sin City a ton of times, and I've had a great time every single time that I went. But, really you can't do more than 3 days in Vegas at any one given time. But for me, more importantly though, I've got some really good friends of mine who live there, and there's actually some pretty good motorcycle riding out there as well. After we settled in over at the Mirage Hotel and had some cool time, it was time to go meet up with my good friend Jesse. We are headed to Red Rock, which is 20 minutes outside of Las Vegas. Is there anything else that we have to see while we're here, Jesse?
Fremont.
What is Fremont?
Downtown Vegas. Fremont is, it's old Las Vegas.
Old Las Vegas. All right, so we're going to go to Red Rock, and we're going to go to Fremont Street. Let's do it. Do you have any Grey Poupon? I don't think I can do it. All right, let's get after this. So we are here at wonderful Red Rock in Nevada. It is a happy place for the wonderment and cheer.
Where the rocks are red due to the iron in the soil is what I learned.
She just scienced the shit out of that. Yeah, so let's go through this loop, and then we'll exit out, and then we'll head to Henderson Street. Fremont Street.
Yeah. Vegas. Okay.
Fremont Street. Happy St. Patty's Day. You having fun yet?
Yeah.
No, you're on Fremont Street in Vegas. You gotta go to your house. So I gotta say, it's good to be home. God bless Harley Davidson. After Red Rock and Fremont, we went to go see my very good friend Joy, who is a philanthropist, a philosopher, and also a pole dancing instructor.
Hey.
Say what's up, Krista.
What's up, Krista?
So we are over at Joy's house. And so I brought her a gift thinking, oh man, she's gonna love this. She's gonna think it's the coolest thing in the history of the world. I brought her my copy, since we moved out, of Waking Life. And then the one DVD that she has here, of course, is Waking Life. 2 peas in a pod. What can I say? All right, Joy, so you have an idea.
Yeah.
You have an idea about a thing. Tell me about your idea.
So I'm making this web series, this YouTube channel, Make America Think Again. And so there's several ideas. My favorite is taxes. Once a year, adults must do the most adultist adult of their adult.
Oh, that's adulting right there.
That's America.
I love it. So when do you go live? When do you start your web
I don't know.
series?
I've got the first one shot, but it's not along these lines. It's more of a critical thinking base.
Okay.
With the top 10 things that you need to do in order to be a critical thinker, in order to think critically. So it's a little boring, but it's necessary. You know? We all have to start from the same
Using your
place.
kidneys.
Yeah.
Make America think again.
This is the opposite.
Is also happens to be a pole dancing instructor who's never stripped a day in her life. She's badass! Alright everybody, enough shenanigans, we got a show to do. So after Las Vegas, Nevada, we left there and went to Page, Arizona. On the way we stopped through the Grand Canyon. It was absolutely fantastic. It's one of those places that just puts you in awe. Either that or it's a giant hole.
Alright, so today's Darwin Award goes to the guy who's shooting sparks towards a gas pump. Can't make this shit up, people. It's the greatest hole.
It's the greatest hole. I think it goes for a long
It's the greatest hole in America.